Today I'm going to try a read aloud with little Miss Hayden. And you can get a taste of what I've been dealing with the last couple weeks trying to work from home. In honor of Easter, we're going to read If I Were a Bunny with the fuzzy tail, right, Hayden? Okay. If I were a bunny rabbit, my tail would be fluffy. Up, and Nolan's going to peek in the corner.
Me too.
Up, and my neighbor Ivy. It's a party over here.
Yeah.
My nose would be wrinkly. She likes touching the nose. My ears would be velvety. Oh, nice job. Okay, wait, bear with me. My paws would be rough. Hayden, can you feel the rough paws? Good girl. My paws would be rough. If I were a bunny rabbit, I would play with my friends in a field of beautiful tulips. Look at all those beautiful tulips. You guys might be seeing those pop up at your house. The end. We had to read a super short one because our attention span doesn't hold much more, does it?
Or Hayden.
Hayden, can you say bye-bye? Hayden, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. To the camera. Say bye-bye. Oh, good girl. She said bye-bye. Happy Friday.
Bye.